Hi class, remember this book from yesterday? We read the Meanies Trick yesterday before you guys went home. But last night when I came back in to look at the book, it seems like the Meanies had stolen some of the words from the book. So we're going to read through it again today, and I'm going to need your help to find what they took and help me replace it. So let's get started. Meanies Trick, again, still written by Joy Cowell. Picture some meanies with some... What do you think that is? What do you think that is? Do you remember from yesterday?
Pudding.
Yeah, buddy. Okay. The meanies giggled. Pudding in the hat. Pudding in the hat.
We are putting pudding in the robber's hat.
Good job. Okay. So after they put pudding in the hat, we have this page. This isn't just a big space, they stole that word. We're going to have to figure out, we're going to put on our detective hats and figure out what that is. A blank came by, sniffle, sniffle. What do you think this is? What sniffles? What's this critter?
That looks like a rabbit.
You're right, that is a rabbit. So a rabbit came by, sniffle, sniffle. Okay, so they said this a lot in this book, and I know you know this line, so let's say it together.
Look at that pudding in a hat.
Good job. Good detective work there. Okay, next page. A duck came by. Blank. They stole this one too. What does a duck do?
I remember this one is my favorite. Waddle, waddle.
Waddle, waddle? Any other options? Any other questions? No? Waddle, waddle? Well, that's right. That's exactly what those meanies stole from this book last night. Waddle, waddle. A duck came by, waddle, waddle. And here we go again.
Look at that pudding in a hat.
Good word. Okay, and our next visitor to the hat comes along. Those meanies came by, jingle, jingle. What's this guy?
A goat.
It's a goat. You are absolutely right. How'd you know it was a goat?
I looked at the picture and I remembered that the goat did jingle jingle because it's a bell on the collar.
Good work. Good detective work. Okay, a goat came by, jingle jingle. Now let's do this part again.
Look at that pudding in a hat.
I don't know if they've all seen the pudding in the hat. The robber came back, grumble, grumble. He looks real confused. Who's the rat that stole my hat? Oh, there it is. Look, the meanies are hiding. They're waiting for it. Here it comes. Sploosh. The meanies giggled. Pudding in the hat. Pudding in the hat. We put pudding in the robber's hat. So there you go. That's pudding in a hat. So you may have noticed that in this book they say the same line, look at that, pudding in a hat, several times. There are a lot of other books that do that. So today, after recess, when you go to independent reading, you can look through them and see if you can find other ones that have similar lines at the end of each page. Also, you can think of other ways to find out the meaning of words. So say you didn't know what rabbit meant, you could look at the pictures and other words in the sentence. Those are called context clues to help you figure out exactly what the word you don't know is. So with that, we're done.